Welcome everyone. We're diving into the amazing insights about Ramadan in this guide, covering
absolutely.
everything from fasting ethics to communal iftars and spiritual guidelines.
Oh, for sure. It's quite a treasure trove of practical and theological advice, isn't it?
Definitely. Yeah. One fascinating thing is how the book meticulously addresses the daily rituals, like the proper timing of suhoor and iftar, complete
Right.
with evidence from Quran and Hadith.
And it even clarifies common dilemmas, such as whether injections break
exactly.
the fast. It shows that necessary medical treatments don't invalidate the fast, which really helps debunk misconceptions.
And then there's a whole section dedicated to the etiquette of Taraweeh and Itikaf in the last 10 days. Talk about attention to detail.
Absolutely.
It even compares proper mosque conduct with respectful personal practices.
What really caught my attention is the balance between spiritual discipline and practical health tips, like hydration and dietary planning for pregnant women. It's so comprehensive that even modern challenges are addressed in a classical framework.
Right. And the guide isn't just theoretical, it provides step-by-step instructions for prayers, like Taraweeh, and even the detailed nuances of Fitr, showing how
Indeed.
every act of worship has its intended method.
I also appreciate how the author respectfully tackles social issues, like the challenges in youth participation and even the balance between family obligations and worship.
Yeah,
It gives
exactly.
some thought-provoking responses to modern excuses for missing communal prayers.
Now, I must respectfully challenge one point here. While the guide is exceptional in detail, isn't it a bit overwhelming for the average reader?
Possibly, yeah, but honestly,
Its structure makes it a perfect reference to dip into as needed, rather than read cover to cover in one sitting. Exactly. And by including evidences throughout, it empowers readers to understand the why behind each practice. Absolutely. It's more than a Q&A. It serves as a guide for personal growth, community unity, and spiritual resilience in these sacred times.
well, that wraps up our discussion. Thanks for walking through these insights. And
Yeah,
here's
thank
to
you.
a meaningful and blessed Ramadan for all listening.